exactly the healthiest meal, but... Sonic?
Partner?
I'm not your partner. Come on, we're leaving.
But there's a ZZ Top cover band. You gotta see their beards.
You have to catch them some other time. Let's go. Get up.
If we stay, I promise I won't say another word for the rest of the trip. Starting now.
Welcome to the Piston Pit. What can I get you, fellas?
Oh, I want nachos and buffalo wings. Oh, and guac. Funny word, isn't it? Quack, quack, guac.
Hey, no kids allowed in here. What's he got on, some kind of mask?
Oh, he's actually 43 years old and suffers from a very rare skin disease that stunts his growth and makes him look like that.
The face I was born with. The confidence I picked up along the way.
Make his a mellow yellow, please.
Okay.
You owe me one.
I've never sat in a bar stool before. So squishy. Oh, look at this. It spins. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I feel sick.
Are you having fun? Now check this off the old bucket list, huh? Big night for you.
What's a bucket list?
Bucket list is, it's a list of things you want to do in your life before you, kick the bucket.
I've never kicked a bucket either. Oh, I gotta make my list. Oh, Sonic.
Wow, what's the matter?
There's so much stuff I've never done. And now that I'm leaving Earth forever, I guess I missed my chance.
Well, I guess this is the kind of place you could get a lot of living done in a short period of time. Suppose we can spare an hour?
What? You're gonna bucket list with me?
Sure, why not?
You won't regret this.
Oh, I'm pretty sure I will.
You've heard the rumors. I know they're pretty bad. The only thing worse than rumors are the cold hard facts. I ain't no angel, so maybe you like it like that. Mama told me.
New high score. Wait a second, is this boat missing a head or does it have two butts?
Baby, if you wanna get lost.
This is easy.